Have you ever experienced that crushing moment when you finally muster up the courage to step outside your comfort zone? Maybe you confessed your feelings to someone you deeply cared about. Maybe you finally applied for your dream job after weeks of preparation. Or maybe you shared a creative idea with a group, thinking it might change everything. You put your heart on the line, and then it happens: rejection. A soft "no, thank you." An email that starts with "we regret to inform you," or, worse, silence, no response at all. And at that moment, your stomach sinks, your heart pounds, and your mind starts spiraling with thoughts like, why wasn't I enough? Did I do something wrong? What's wrong with me? It feels personal. Like someone took a piece of your self-worth and just tossed it aside. This pain is so real and deep that people often say it feels like a punch to the chest or like having your heart broken. But that's the fascinating truth. Rejection actually does feel like physical pain because your brain treats it that way. Neuroscientists have discovered that when we experience rejection, the same areas of the brain that respond to physical pain, like stubbing your toe or cutting your finger, also light up. This area, called the anterior cingulate cortex, doesn't care if you scraped your knee or if someone ignored your call. To your brain, pain is pain. That SY phrases like broken heart or hurt feelings aren't just poetic expressions, they're scientifically accurate. Your body really does hurt from rejection. But why would evolution make something like rejection hurt so much? The answer lies in our past. Thousands of years ago, humans lived in small tribes. Belonging wasn't optional, it was necessary for survival. Being rejected or excluded meant losing access to food, protection, and support. Your brain developed this pain response to rejection as an alarm system, telling you, don't get left behind. Stay connected. Stay accepted. Fast forward to today, and we no longer rely on small tribes to survive. We live in cities, work online, and interact with people from around the globe. But our brain still operates on that ancient wiring. So, when you get left out of a group chat, when your idea gets ignored in a meeting, or when someone doesn't text back, your brain sounds that same survival alarm, and it feels like life or death, even though logically, we know it isn't. This is why rejection often feels overwhelming. But it doesn't stop at emotional pain. Rejection also changes your brain chemistry. When you're rejected, your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. This puts your body into fight or flight mode, your heart beats faster, your muscles tense, your breathing becomes shallow, and your thoughts race. On top of that, rejection reduces the release of dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel happy and motivated. Normally, when you succeed or feel loved, dopamine floods your brain, giving you that warm, rewarding feeling. But after rejection, dopamine levels drop, leaving you feeling flat and sometimes even hopeless. Rejection also temporarily weakens the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for logical thinking and decision-making. This is why after rejection, you might do things that don't make sense, like sending multiple follow-up messages you later regret or obsessively replaying the moment in your head, asking, what if I said something different? What if I had tried harder? Your brain is trying to make sense of the rejection but ends up trapping you in a loop of overthinking.